Hey, Dane here. In this short video, we'll explore how dipt arranges your tasks. Dipt stores your tasks in a hierarchy, whereby tasks can have subtasks under them, and so on. You can visualize it a bit like a tree, with your top task being the main tree branches, each of those having a number of twig subtasks coming off them, and so on. In my dipt window here, we're currently at the top level of my dipt hierarchy. Now I like to arrange my most commonly used categories, like you can see here, so everything from home to family to work, and so on. But you can arrange yours however you like. We can browse to any given task by clicking on it. So let's click on my work category to go to that. Now this is the page for the works task. On it you'll see the key details like its status, name, curation date, and any priorities or deadlines if you've given it any. In the bottom half you'll see any subtasks that have been added to the task. In this case this task has one, Dane's Bookstore. So let's click into that. Within my bookstore task, you can see that I've broken it down into the common types of tasks that I have. Let's take a look at marketing. You'll see that this task has a number of subtasks underneath it. We can add as many as we like, so let's add another now. I want to create a social media presence, so I'll add that, and you'll see that it's added it to the bottom of my task list. Now you'll see that this task has a number of its subtasks already marked as completed, as you can see by the green ticks down the left-hand side. The stated against marketing at the top reflects this. It's currently a yellow circle with an ellipsis, which means that this task is in progress. If we mark the last two tasks as complete, you'll see that this status at the top changes to a green tick. So let's do that now. So 1 and 2. And now you see that marketing has become a green tick. We can navigate back up the hierarchy by clicking the up arrow here, or via the breadcrumbs here. So let's go back up one level to Dane's Bookstore. You'll see that marketing now shows as complete. Now this is a key feature of dipt. As you complete subtasks, the effect cascades up your hierarchy so you can always see how your tasks are getting on at any given level. You can easily move tasks around your hierarchy too. Let's add a task here called File My Tax Return. I actually want this task to be in the finance category, so I'll click and drag it onto the finance task to move it into it. Click, drag, and then drop onto finance. You'll see that it's moved out of this and into finance. You can also move tasks up a level by dropping them onto the up arrow that gets highlighted when you start dragging a task. Alternatively, you can move a task directly to another by clicking the task drop-down menu, selecting move and searching for the task you want to move to. I'll add a task now called Buy Vampire Books. But I actually want it within inventory, so I'm going to move it to the inventory task. I do that by clicking the task drop-down menu, selecting move, searching for inventory, and then clicking on that to complete the move. Finally, you can always return to the top level of your task by clicking on the home icon, located up here. That's it for this video. Hopefully it was helpful and you now have a good grasp of the dipt hierarchy. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below and I'll be happy to help. Bye for now.